All right, here we are, picking back up, going around counterclockwise. Mackinac Island, that was Arch Rock. Moving onward. Should see Arch Rock from this viewpoint here in a little bit. Okay. Okay. Feels good, that breeze. This must be Arch Rock coming up.
Yeah.
And there it is up there. You can see it if you turn and look behind to the left. Assuming I'm doing a 360 here, remember you can move around your view. Someone's out in the water. It is fresh water. So when you get out, you shouldn't feel sticky. What a view. What a view. We must be on the east side of the island now, for sure. No, I think I'd rather be in. This is a 3-speed trike. Right now, I just want to take a casual, easy second gear. I don't think I've ever had it in first. It was in the second one I took off. I guess first is when you're climbing a big hill, which I'm sure is coming up. I was told to ride around Mackinac Island counterclockwise. The hills are easier this direction. That's what I was told. Another point of entrance, it looks like. resting place for the ancestors.
Look at this guy, he's mowing the grass.
I'm hoping I can do this in segments of 360s. I can't put them together to one long video. I don't have the software to do that. So it may be in several parts. About 18 to 20 minutes is as long as I can go. So it's hard for me to get used to the feel of steering on a trike. I think I saw a seagull out there on the water's edge. I think we're coming to the northeast corner of the island, though.
Like,
no, still on east. Got a ways to go to get to the northeast corner. It may be what we're seeing up there, I don't know. I can't read that. That's only 7 minutes. Okay. All right. 57, 56, say. So about 15 after. Oh, that breeze feels good moving. I assume that's Canada that we're seeing over there, or islands, maybe. It's islands. It's not that close. Canada. On your left. On your left.
What's that doing, filming?
Yep, 360 degrees. Well, we're not to the northeast corner of the island yet. I still see more. Maybe more around that bend too. We'll see. A little pond over there to the left.
Take a little pinball. Let's go.
Your airplane. They do have an airport here. They don't have cars, but they allow planes. I don't know, I guess that's for the rich. That sounds very expensive. Be an expensive week to stay on this island for a week, even a whole weekend. All right, what does this say? Restrooms, telephone, 2 miles. Okay. I think that's seagulls out there landing on the water. I think I am reaching the northeast corner. No, not there yet. Well, I don't know. I guess I could turn on my compass on my phone. It would tell me. Y'all tell me when somebody's coming up behind me. Like this is live. It's not. I want to do a live from the island before I leave, but I don't think I'm going to have enough service unless I do it inside a restaurant, which if I have it outside on the main street, then that would be fine. But cell service here sucks. It's not fast enough. I have T-Mobile, but I understand none of them are fast enough for that. But we'll see. I might be able to pull it off. Something coming up. This might be the northeast corner. No, not yet. I understand it's 8-point-something miles around this island, around the perimeter. It looks like there's a trail there. It looks like a trailhead, lake, shore, something of nature trail, I think. I think that was the map to it.
Is that a recorder, sir?
360-degree camera.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
Yep.
Cool.
Hope to be the first one that's ever done it 360 on Mackinac Island. Oh, that's beautiful.
Have a good one.
You too. Have fun.
We're just cruising, Papa.
It's about time to end this segment of this part of the video. I think that's the northeast corner. I could be wrong. I'll have to look at my compass. I think I want to go out there and put my feet in the water. Let's see if I can pull that off. Scotts Shore Road. Okay. Looks like that's where they're all stopping too. All right. Stay tuned for the next section. If I'm doing this in 360, that is. There'll be another part coming. Several more, I imagine.